guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. I'm Brooke and I make lifestyle videos. So today's video is a Sunday vlog. So I'm not entirely sure what we're gonna be doing today. I think we're gonna be doing a paint and sip. I'm about to make breakfast and we will see where else this day leads. And I'm excited to bring you guys along. So if you haven't already, don't forget, subscribe below, give this video a big thumbs up, and let's get into it. Breakfast making time. Look how cute our new teapot is. We got this all clad teapot and I just love, like, look how reflective this is. Hey! All right, getting ready to start breakfast. On the menu this morning are breakfast burritos. So I have these carb balance flour tortillas, which I talked about on keto. They have the best ratio, better than the regular tortillas, in my opinion. And then we have bacon, 2 eggs, sour cream cheese, and then mini tater tots. It's another thing where I feel like the crunchy to potato, the ratio is better on the minis. So yeah, it's all about ratios for me. So yeah, let's get started with breakfast. So good. My Girl Scout cookies have arrived because they are not doing the little booths this year. I had to order them online. They took like 2 weeks to come in. It kept getting delayed, but finally they've arrived. So we got Thin Mints. We got 6 boxes of those. And then Girl Scout s'mores. We got 3 container things? I don't know, packages of that. And then we got these Toast Yays, which are new. We've never had them. There were 2 different types of s'mores when they first came out, and this is not the one I thought I was getting. The one I thought I was getting, I think it was like the little like fudge things where I think it was like a shortbread cookie, and then there was chocolate at the bottom and then chocolate drizzled on top, and then they were seeing which one did better. Unfortunately, I guess that one did. And then this one, a Toast Yay. So what is this? It's a French toast inspired cookie dipped in icing. I could have sworn this had like chocolate, but what would chocolate be doing on French toast? I don't know, but it sounded delicious and I think I thought it was something else. But yeah, we got 3 packages of those, so hopefully they're good. We had to stock up because usually, you know, you get some and then you can go back and get more if you need them, but without the booths, yeah, we weren't gonna do it. Plus you have to pay for shipping with this. So yeah, we figured we would just do it all at once. Quick update. These are actually absolutely delicious. They might be one of my favorites now. So we just got an Amazon delivery and the gardening gloves that I ordered just came in. So Darren's working on some business stuff that's gonna take just a little bit. So I think I'm going to take on some of the weeds outside. They've been growing out of control. And my last gardening gloves got really messed up. So yeah, I think I'm gonna take that on and then we will do the paint and sip afterwards. So I just changed. So I'm just wearing a loose fitted white V-neck. And then I'm wearing some like black activewear shorts and then some socks and Nikes. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go work outside and then we will do the paint and sip. all up there. Now no weeds. And then I picked up all the dog poop and such. And then over here, I weeded the entire garden box. So if we want to plant anything, we can. There were still a bunch of leaves over here, so that's why it looks super dirty. I picked up all the leaves, and we're gonna have to power wash this, and by we I mean Darren. Yeah, everything looks so much better. And we've got 2 happy pups. Do we have 2 happy pups? So I'm sitting on the bathroom floor and my nails are just such a hot mess. Like, look how trashed these are. I just bought this Sally Hansen like French manicure like kit thing. So it came with this, it's like white nail polish, but it's like in a paint pen form. And then it came with the pink and the clear as well. This nail polish remover I had, so I used to have one that I swear there was like no acetone in it. It would not take off my nail polish. So then I got this new one, and this new one is 100% acetone. And this thing is no joke. I'm like super scared to like accidentally spill it on something because I feel like it's gonna like eat through my countertop. It is just so strong. Okay, so my nails are super long, so I decided I'm gonna file them a little bit. My next video coming out is a DIY video. I know that you guys have been wanting more of that because I posted a DIY video. It was DIY wedding crafts for my sister-in-law's wedding, her actual wedding. That video now has over 7,000 views, which is a lot for my channel. And I'm still getting comments on that video almost daily, which is not the case for a lot of my videos. So I just did the intro this morning, and I ordered some stuff for it. So I'm gonna be doing that later this week. And if you guys have any other like DIY ideas that you want me to do, let me know. So I finished filing and we are ready to rock and roll. When I started dyeing my hair started getting like super dry. And then I found this brand called Pureology, but I absolutely love it. And I've been buying it from my hair salon, and I was telling my mom about it, and she was like, oh yeah, that's actually the brand that Kirkland shampoo and conditioner are. So I looked online, and there's actually a lot of articles about it. So I'm kind of feeling like it is. Because also, if you guys didn't know, Kirkland vodka is Grey Goose. Trader Joe's water is Smart Water. And then there's some other things as well, but I can't remember right now. Those are kind of the big ones that I was like, what? Do you guys know what like other generic brands are secretly actually well-known brands? Also, I learned in some of my marketing classes in college that like on a bottle, like you'll see it a lot with like the brand Equate, where they say like compare to, or comparable to, it'll be like Neutrogena's something. If it says comparable to or compared to or something like that on the bottle, that actually means that it is that brand. It is just bottled in the generic brand's packaging. So fun fact, if you want to save a little money but you still want the real deal, I just have so much respect for nail techs because this is difficult. Okay, so I just finished the white part, and I mean, I can't sit here and tell you this is the best looking manicure I've ever had, but like, tell me those don't look pretty darn good. So now here's the pink. Uh-oh, my camera is about to die. Oh wow, yeah, this pink is super neutral. I'll show you guys since this thing's probably gonna die before I finish all my fingers. Looks really good. Okay, so I just finished my nails. They just finished drying. Look, don't they actually look pretty profesh? Like, I'm so incredibly proud of this. That little Sally Hansen kit that was like 12 bucks. I'm gonna rate it a 5 out of 5. And I think I'm gonna rate it on Amazon as well, because the people gotta know. People gotta know. Yeah, it looks really good. And then yeah, when I put the pink and then when I put the clear, any texture that was on the white for me, like going over it like 12 times trying to get it right, all smoothed out. I'm so impressed. So we're gonna set up the paint and sip, and paint. So last night we ordered Thai food. So this is what I had left over. It is yellow curry, and I think I warmed up too much of the rice for the amount of curry left. And then Darren was setting up the paint and sip over here, but he had to run and take a quick call. So yeah, just gonna eat this real quick and then we will get started on the rest of our evening. All right, we are ready to go for our paint and sip. We've got all of our supplies. We've got all of our different paints. And we don't know what we are painting just yet. For the pups, we have put on one of their favorite shows, Pup Academy. And they really watch it the whole time. Okay, so we're trying to figure out what we're gonna paint. So we're thinking maybe American flags, because you have Memorial Day and then we also have 4th of July. So we could kind of use the painting twice. Or Darren's thinking Cinco de Mayo would be pretty fun. Oh, actually they've got a whole thing. Oh, what if we did a margarita? What do you think? I like that a lot. Okay, so that's the plan. All right, now.
Execution.
So here are our paintings so far. We both have a few more details that we need to do on them, so we're just waiting for them to dry so we can add some final detail. I really like how they both turned out. We both, even when we go off the same picture, we end up with totally different paintings, and I love that. Darren's reminds me more of like Hawaiian tropical, and mine reminds me more of like Mexico tropical, but they are coming along beautifully. Here's what we're going for. Pretty good. The only thing that's changed, I added a little dark green rind on the lime, a few little seeds, and then I put a few little dots, little whole things for the salt. And then Darren has finished adding in his final details around the top of the glass and the limes and lemon.
Looks like I spilled salt in my glass. Smooth it out a little bit.
Looks like the saltiest margarita in town. So I've been rewatching Gilmore Girls, and it turns out Darren is becoming quite the fan. So this is our new show. Darren is gourmetifying a frozen pizza over there. He added cheese and butter. You added butter.
To the bottom.
So I made some popcorn, and I've been thinking, you know, I think I'm Team Logan. If you guys watch Gilmore Girls, you know, let me know. Are you Team Dean, Jess, or Logan? Because obviously, it has to be debated. It has to be debated. Because I feel like he brings out a lot of, but also he feels like the most real, you know what I mean? Like the type of like guy that would actually like get her attention, you know? Anyways, it's Logan season, so I gotta go. Our Amazon delivery just came in. We got this and then 2 flats of water right over there. I haven't brought them over here yet. I'm gonna unpack this real quick and then I'll show you guys what we got. So here we have the world's most random grocery haul. I've been craving butterfly shrimp, and then we got some frozen turkey, and then not frozen turkey sausage for the pups. These are the different veggies that we add into their meals. And then beef broth, because that's how we make their brown rice. And then I got myself some more Almond Breeze unsweetened vanilla almond milk, because I put that in my coffee. We're running low on sour cream, and like I told you guys, I'm addicted to these tortillas. Here we have some beef meatballs and some Nathan's hot dogs. These are like treats for the pups when they're being very good. And then we have some ground beef for them, ground turkey for them. This is, I think, pork tenderloins. And then this is, I think, beef, and then more beef also for the pups. And then for myself, Brussels sprouts and some avocados. And then I like to just munch on these mozzarella pearls. And I've been making a lot of different things with chicken, so I got that. Then these keto yogurts. I'm not doing keto, but I really did like these yogurts with fresh strawberries, so I got some of that. Turkey sausage for the pups, and then some string cheese. I just like to munch on that. These, I have a recipe in mind that I want to do with the chickens, and they're like, you like boil potatoes and then you smash them and then you bake them with like seasoning. They're like smashed potatoes, and apparently they're really good. And then I got 2 regular potatoes that I plan to make into hash browns for the morning. All right guys, so I've decided that I'm going to be binging Gilmore Girls for the rest of the evening, so I'm just gonna end this here. But before I do, I want to remind you that if you guys haven't already, please put in the comments below what type of videos you guys like watching of mine, things that you want me to do. Do you want me to cook more? Do you want me to do more DIYs, more vlogs? Let me know, because I would love to do more of what you guys enjoy watching. So thank you guys again so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, don't forget, subscribe below, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.
Talk to me.